Automakers hate these machines. They don't break, they don't quit, and they don't make anyone rush back to the showroom. In a world where most cars are built to fade, a handful of legends refuse to die. Mechanics whisper their names. Collectors guard them like treasure. Dealers pretend they don't exist because once you buy one, you won't need another car for decades. These 13 vehicles broke every rule of planned obsolescence. They were built to survive anything from brutal heat and heavy loads to decades of daily life, and they're still proving it today. Let's start with the Toyota 4Runner, built between 2003 and 2008. This SUV is the secret handshake among mechanics who know what truly lasts. Its 4.0-liter V6 engine isn't flashy, but it's basically indestructible. Owners brag about passing 400,000 kilometers with nothing more than routine oil changes. In the deserts of the Middle East and the backroads of Australia, these 4Runners keep moving long after others have been abandoned. Its 5-speed automatic and rugged 4-wheel drive system are built on old-school simplicity. Fewer parts to fail, fewer reasons to ever visit a repair shop. 10-year-old 4Runners still sell for more than many brand-new SUVs, and once you own one, you understand why. The Honda Pilot from 2009 to 2015 is next, a minivan cleverly disguised as an SUV. During the financial crisis, it quietly became the family hero. Its 3.5-liter V6 delivers just the right power to haul kids, groceries, and dreams without complaint. Inside, the design feels like it was created by parents who have lived through spilled juice and soccer tournaments. Seats fold like magic, cubbies hide everywhere, and the materials shrug off years of abuse. The 5-speed automatic shifts so smoothly you barely notice it working. Families that bought a Pilot for their toddlers are now using the same one to take their grandkids on road trips. Few vehicles have aged with such loyalty and grace. Then there's the Toyota Sequoia, built between 2008 and 2012, a mountain on wheels with the soul of a workhorse. Its 5.7-liter V8 pumps out 381 horsepower, but its true strength is endurance. Owners routinely log 500,000 kilometers while still towing boats and campers. Contractors love it because it never quits. Families love it because it carries 8 people in comfort. Fire departments use it because it can take a beating and keep going. 15-year-old Sequoias often cost more than some new luxury SUVs, and that tells you everything. For those who prefer refinement without weakness, there's the Lexus GX 460. 2010 to 2014. It's the luxury SUV that mechanics secretly resent because it never breaks. While European rivals load up on delicate electronics, Lexus chose brutal simplicity. The 4.6-liter V8 was borrowed from a pickup truck, meaning it's massively overbuilt for daily driving. Many have surpassed 400,000 kilometers without internal engine work. The 6-speed transmission shifts gently, protecting itself with every gear change. The leather inside softens with age instead of cracking. It's the rare luxury vehicle that grows better, not worse, over time. When the economy crashed, the Toyota RAV4, 2006 to 2011, quietly became the symbol of resilience. While other automakers were collapsing, the RAV4 just kept rolling. Its 2.4-liter engine may be modest, but it's legendary among taxi drivers who push them past 500,000 kilometers with basic maintenance. It's proof that boring engineering can sometimes be genius. Even after 15 years of potholes, these RAV4s still feel solid and quiet. The Honda Odyssey, 2005 to 2010, turned minivans into miracles. Dealers fight to buy used ones, no matter how many miles they've seen. Its 3.5-liter V6 still pulls like new after years of hauling kids, dogs, and furniture. Sliding doors glide smoothly even after decades of abuse. Every seat, latch, and hinge still works. Honda built this van to handle chaos, and it did. The Nissan Pathfinder 2005 to 2010 marks the end of Nissan's truly rugged era. With its 4.0-liter V6 and indestructible 5-speed automatic, it's a truck-based SUV that can tow 6,000 pounds all week and still feel fresh on Sunday. Owners treat them like family heirlooms because at 300,000 kilometers, they're still eager for adventure. The leather ages beautifully, and the drivetrain simply refuses to quit. Nissan may never build another like it. When Toyota decided to challenge Detroit, it created the Tundra 2007 to 2013 and won. This full-size pickup was Japan's way of saying, we can do tough better. Its 5.7-liter V8 can tow 10,000 pounds and survive 400,000 kilometers of commercial abuse. Contractors who bought theirs new are still using them daily, while their co-workers have cycled through multiple F-150. Overbuilt and over-engineered, the Tundra is the definition of a forever truck. At the same time, Chevrolet quietly built a tank called the Tahoe, 2007 to 2012. During GM's darkest years, its engineers somehow produced the most reliable full-size SUV in company history. The 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management runs flawlessly, whether it's using 4 cylinders or 8. Police departments and emergency fleets adopted it because it can handle non-stop punishment. After 300,000 kilometers, these beasts still feel unshakable. Its twin, the GMC Yukon, deserves equal glory. With the same 5.3-liter V8 and 6-speed transmission, it's proof that American engineering can rival the Japanese for longevity. Simpler technology means easier repairs, and parts are cheap. Fleet operators love it because it tows heavy loads for years without complaint. Many original owners have surpassed 400,000 kilometers on the factory engine and gearbox, a feat most modern SUVs can only dream of. The Toyota Highlander, 2008 to 2012, might be the smartest family SUV ever made. Beneath its calm exterior beats a 3.5-liter V6 shared with Lexus, tuned for endurance instead of speed. With regular oil changes, it can pass 500,000 kilometers without major repairs. Its 5-speed automatic is gentle and durable, and its simple all-wheel drive system rarely needs service. It's comfortable, practical, and nearly indestructible, a quiet apocalypse survivor wearing a friendly smile. Then there's the Acura MDX, 2007 to 2013, the masterpiece of Honda's luxury division. Its 3.7-liter V6 makes 300 horsepower that feels brand new even after years of use. The 6-speed transmission stays silky smooth, and its advanced all-wheel drive system distributes power perfectly while being almost impossible to brake. Owners refuse to sell them because every replacement feels like a downgrade. Used MDXs have waiting lists at dealerships. That's how good they are. Finally, the legend above all legends, the Lexus RX 350, 2009. This SUV redefined what reliability means. Its 3.5-liter V6 produces 275 horsepower with a quiet strength that never fades. Owners report 500,000 kilometers with engines that still hum like day one. The transmission shifts flawlessly, the seats mold to your body, and every button still works. The air conditioning blows cold, the stereo still sings, and the leather ages like fine wine. The RX 350 isn't just a car, it's proof that perfection is possible. Together, these 13 vehicles tell a story manufacturers wish we'd forget. They show that true quality doesn't come from fancy screens or overcomplicated tech. It comes from solid engineering, timeless design, and a refusal to cut corners. Each of these machines was built for people who wanted something that lasts, not just another payment plan. So if you ever find one of these legends sitting quietly on a used car lot, don't hesitate. Grab it, keep it, and treat it right. Because some cars aren't just built to drive, they're built to outlive you.